Introducing the second-generation Atomi Smart Wi-Fi Tabletop Heater. Control your heater right from your phone, wherever you are, using the free Atomi Smart app, or control the smart heater using simple voice commands with Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Alexa, turn on heater. The smart heater's 360-degree tip-over safety switch automatically shuts off the heater if tipped over and instantly sends you a phone notification. The Cool Touch housing and handle allows for easy movability, and with overheat protection, your home is always safe. The powerful yet whisper-quiet heater quickly heats up using its ceramic heating technology. The Atomi Smart Wi-Fi Tabletop Heater, the smart and safe way to keep your rooms warm.
Enjoy year-round personal heat with the compact Lasco MyHeat personal heater. MyHeat is made with safe ceramic warmth, is small enough to fit in tight spaces, and runs at a money-saving 200 watts. The ETL-listed space heater includes built-in safety features with a 3-year limited warranty and arriving fully assembled. MyHeat ensures ease of use. Stay warm at any time with Lasco's MyHeat personal heater.
Cozy up with the DeLonghi Comfort Temp Portable Radiant Heater. Equipped with 1,500 watts of warming power, this heater features multiple heat settings and an adjustable thermostat for custom comfort. Safety features include automatic shutoff switch for overheat protection. The Comfort Temp function automatically modifies the heat and power settings to save energy, and the attached wheels make them easy to move. Delivering gentle, full-room, long-term warmth, DeLonghi Radiant Heaters distribute heat quietly, evenly, and efficiently. Enjoy the comfy convenience of the DeLonghi Comfort Temp Portable Radiant Heater.
This is the Dyson Pure Hot Plus Cool Purifying Fan.
I am obsessed with this. You know, we're entering allergy season, and this is the must-have item for your home when you want to get rid of those pollutants, those allergens, the dust, all that jazz, and you want to purify your room.
So the first thing it does is it actually shows you what your air quality is right now. So green means it's good in here. But look what happens when it senses a pollutant. It changes to yellow and then even red to show me that I'm not getting my best air quality. So inside, it is taking those pollutants and sealing them in a sealed HEPA filter with activated carbon. Then it projects purified air back out around the whole room.
Let's also not forget, this is a powerful heating and cooling system as well for any room in your house, so you can adjust the temperature.
To hot or cool in auto mode, we're changing temperatures, we're purifying your air, all in time for allergy season.
Bring on the warmth with the Capsule Ceramic Heater from DeLonghi. Designed with 1,500 watts of warming power, this personal heater delivers custom comfort thanks to the adjustable thermostat and heat settings. The stylish design is sure to complement any space, while the lightweight body and carry handle make it completely portable. Great for more intimate spaces, DeLonghi fan and ceramic heaters offer instant focused heat for on-demand warmth, all in a convenient compact package. Stay cozy no matter where you are with the Capsule Ceramic Heater from DeLonghi.